Vanakkam friends, welcome back to our weekly review or prediction of Nifty and Bank Nifty for next week. Sorry, I was not able to do our video for last week because of very bad throat. Now I am feeling a bit better, so I thought of doing this for us for the upcoming week. So now this is the Nifty chart on 1 hour time frame. Let me convert it into a daily time frame chart first. We are seeing 4 red continuous candles. Generally speaking, if we are seeing 4 red continuous candles or green continuous candles, the fifth one will be in the opposite direction. Generally speaking, historically, fifth one either it will be a doji kind of stuff which will change the trend from the sixth candle, or it will be the reversal candle itself. So now, along with this, I have added the red color line, which is the 20 SMA. We are almost near the 20 SMA. If you would have mentioned seen my opening view on Tuesday, I would have mentioned saying that we are seeing 3 gap areas in Nifty continuously, which means those 3 areas needs to be filled. Out of these 3, we have filled 2 areas and the third one alone is pending. If we want to fill that third area, we are supposed to touch 18,004 levels. Friday low of Nifty was somewhere between somewhere near 18,035 odd levels, I think so. Let me check here. Yeah, 18,034, which is almost done. Maybe another 20 to 30 points are left. That's it. We can consider this. It is as almost done. Okay, so the third area is also getting filled. Now I will turn this into a hourly chart for you to explain in a better manner what we can expect next. Okay, so this is the hourly chart. This first gap area has been filled. This second gap area is also been filled over there. This third gap area alone is pending, and I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement from the highs to the lows of during the past week. This 18,006 odd levels, this red color line, this will become a very crucial support for the last week of our October expiry. As long as this level holds, 18,006 holds on a hourly closing basis, we can expect a beautiful W-shaped pattern being formed over here. From here, it will run all the way till 18,600 till Friday. I am not saying till Thursday. Till Friday, we can expect this. So, it may or may not happen till before Thursday, but till Friday, this could happen. It is the possibility. At present, if you ask anyone, everyone will say it will be having a consolidation kind of stuff, but results will play a major role. Yesterday, Reliance delivered a beautiful set of results, and today ICICI Bank has delivered a stellar numbers, fantastic numbers from ICICI Bank. I would not get shocked if ICICI Banks alone pulls Bank Nifty to 41,000 zones on Monday or Tuesday. He alone will pull. Not required support from any HDFC Bank or Kotak Bank or Axis Bank kind of stuff. ICICI Bank alone can pull Nifty Bank to 41,000 zones. So this is what I'm expecting. A confirmation of this will come only when this particular red line is broken. The level is 18,320. Once 18,320 is broken on Nifty, and if it is having a close on 1 hour time frame, 100% sure Nifty will hit 18,600 within this week. 100%. There is no second chance. 100% sure. Okay. And now we will move on to the levels for Bank Nifty. This is Bank Nifty levels, and during the last 2 or 3 days itself, I have been consistently writing in my opening note and even in my market commentary during market hours, saying that Bank Nifty is much stronger than Nifty. So you can obviously see this in the charts. See how Nifty chart look like. It is falling, 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 falling. But on the other hand, Bank Nifty chart, it has consolidated and then it has climbed high. This is how Bank Nifty chart is going. Okay. Over here also, I have taken the highs and lows of the this particular week into consideration. I have drawn a Fibo retracement. Any dip, I don't think you will get a dip towards 40,000 on Monday. By chance, by any chance, if you get a dip at opening due to any extraordinary global event or something, anything else, whatever happens, if you get a dip towards 40,000, jump in and buy 40,500 call for a target of 500. Doctor, I am expecting 41,000 to be tested in Bank Nifty during next week because of the beautiful numbers from ICICI. Let me show how the numbers look like. These are the numbers from ICICI Bank. See, I don't look at the profit and other steps of the results when it comes to banking sectors results. For banking, what is NPA? NPA in the sense net non-performing assets kind of stuff. Okay. If NPAs are getting reduced, which means they are getting loans on time. Loan premiums, whatever the thing it has been, be it a personal loan or a car loan or whatever it may be, they are collecting the loan premiums on time. See this, everything has got declined. Gross NPA, net NPA, quarter on quarter, year on year, everything has declined, which means their collection is very effective. Only if they are getting NPA, they can give loan again to the other customer. Only then net interest income will rise. Only then profit will rise. So for banking sector, you look only how is NPAs being reported for each and every bank. This might be a lesson for you. So whenever you see a result of a particular banking or banking NBFC company also, just see whether the NPA is getting reduced from previous quarter to this quarter or not. If that is reduced, they are working more efficiently. In that case, definitely it is going to move up. This is how I analyzed ICICI Bank results. I will not get surprised or shocked to see ICICI Bank opening above 775 levels on Monday. I will not get shocked. If it is 775, whoever holding our 40,500 call from Friday will get definitely benefited. As I said earlier, it don't require support from Axis Bank, HDFC Bank, IndusInd Bank, Kotak Bank, anything. This fellow alone will take Bank Nifty above 41,000. The moment it goes above 41,000, you will see a blasting rally for at least 1,000 points from there. Everything will change from there on. Because if that goes to 41,000, obviously HDFC Bank will break the result day high of 1725. I already told you, if 1725 is broken on HDFC Bank, it will have a 10% rally from there. Imagine what will happen if 10% rally happens in HDFC Bank. I'm not saying it will happen in 1 day or 2 days, but over a period of time. Just in next 4 days, if HDFC Bank raises 5%, Bank Nifty will easily raise 1,000 points. So these are the two picks, option picks, which you are supposed to have in your um, watch list. It means Bank Nifty 40,500 call as well as Nifty 18,600 call. So Nifty 18,600 call, the last tick was 74 rupees. Probably it will open a bit higher on Monday due to Reliance results and ICICI Bank results. And if there is any consolidation on during in between the day, later part of the day, if it comes near 50 to 60 odd levels, take it as a hero or zero call for target of 200. And Bank Nifty, I have already told you where to take. When Bank Nifty spot comes near, uh, I mean, 40,000 levels, take this 40,500 call. Or if you want to take something as hero or zero, you can even try 41,000 call. You can even try 41,000 call, which is of less premium. And if you are lucky, you may even get 1,000 over there. I will not be saying that 41,000 call will definitely hit 1,000, but it all happens based on conditions. If HDFC Bank takes out 1725 and closes above it, no one can stop it. Stop Bank Nifty before reaching 42,000. I have already explained the power of HDFC Bank in Bank Nifty several times in our videos as well as in our messages as well. So I think that if HDFC Bank takes out 1725, the entire momentum of market will change for sure. Before Diwali, we will see 19,000 in Bank Nifty. Nifty. Now it might be funny for everyone, but when it happens, you will definitely remember me, because we are right at supports, and 18,000 is a very strong and psychological number. Only if we break that below level and close below that particular level on daily time frame, we can expect some correction towards 17,700 levels, or else we are going to march towards 19,000 levels before Diwali. I think Diwali is on 4th of November, 4th or 5th. I'm not sure about the exact date. Okay, anyways, I'm just giving a hint in advance. That's it. Okay. So for newcomers, I will post our Telegram channel links in the description of this video. Click and join our Telegram channel, wherein I will post my daily views and daily calls without targets for you people. And you can also subscribe our YouTube channel so that you will learn something new every time when I post a video. The last one which I have posted regarding SBI, I have got plenty of messages from you people saying that, sir, I can't find a simple strategy than this for SBI. I was literally happy. Okay, the things which I teach you will be the most simplest form for that particular script or that particular industry. Anybody can learn markets, provided you are in a position to understand things. Okay. Thank you, friends. Bye all.